Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare Huel and YFood. We will explore these two popular meal replacement brands, both designed to offer convenient and complete nutrition for your busy life. We will delve into their nutritional content, evaluate their taste and texture, and examine their cost-effectiveness and overall convenience. By the end, you will have a clearer understanding to help you decide which product aligns best with your personal preferences and dietary goals. When it comes to nutrition, Huel is known for its plant-based ingredients, often featuring lower sugar content and a higher amount of fiber. It provides complex carbohydrates from sources like oats and flaxseed, offering sustained energy. Many Huel products also contain beneficial medium-chain triglycerides. YFood, on the other hand, frequently offers higher protein and calorie counts in its ready-to-drink meals, often utilizing milk protein for a creamier consistency. Both brands deliver a comprehensive blend of essential vitamins and minerals. Regarding taste and texture, preferences vary significantly. Huel is often described as having a thicker, sometimes slightly oatmeal-y consistency, with a less sweet flavor profile. It provides a broad range of flavors, including unflavored options for customization. YFood, however, generally receives higher marks for its smoother, creamier texture and sweeter taste, with many comparing it to a delicious milkshake. While YFood has fewer flavor varieties, its palatability is a strong selling point for many consumers. Considering cost and convenience, Huel powder typically offers a more budget-friendly option per serving, though it requires mixing. YFood excels in convenience with its ready-to-drink bottles, perfect for on-the-go consumption, but these usually come at a higher price point. Both companies offer savings through bulk purchases or subscription models. Huel's powdered products also tend to be more environmentally friendly due to their recyclable packaging, compared to the single-use bottles of YFood's ready-to-drink meals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.